Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been gaining a lot of attention in the health and fitness world, the carnivore diet. We'll explore what the carnivore diet is, its variations, and the potential benefits for your health. First of all, what is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet, often referred to as a zero-carb diet, is an extreme form of dietary restriction that focuses exclusively on animal-based foods. Unlike traditional dietary plans that advocate for a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, the carnivore diet eliminates all plant-based foods, including vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The primary components of this diet are meat, both muscle and organ meats, fish, eggs, and in some versions, dairy products such as cheese and butter. The philosophy behind the carnivore diet is rooted in the belief that humans are fundamentally carnivorous by nature, and that a diet consisting solely of animal products is optimal for health. Proponents argue that our ancestors primarily consumed meat, and our bodies are thus better adapted to a diet devoid of modern agricultural products. These are the key principles of the carnivore diet. Number 1. Complete elimination of plant foods. The most distinctive feature of the carnivore diet is the total exclusion of plant-derived foods. This means no fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, or any processed foods containing plant ingredients. Number 2. Focus on animal products. The diet centers on high-quality animal proteins and fats. Common foods include beef, pork, lamb, chicken, and fish. Organ meats, such as liver and kidneys, are also encouraged due to their dense nutrient profile. Number 3. Minimal to no carbohydrates. By excluding plant foods, the diet inherently becomes very low in carbohydrates. This drastic reduction in carb intake often leads to a metabolic state called ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Number 4. Simple and unprocessed foods. The carnivore diet emphasizes eating foods in their most natural state. Processed meats, such as sausages and deli meats, are generally discouraged unless they contain no additives or fillers. The carnivore diet is highly controversial and polarizing within the nutritional science community. Advocates claim that it can lead to numerous health benefits, such as improved metabolic health, weight loss, and reduced inflammation. They often cite anecdotal evidence and emerging studies that suggest a potential link between a high intake of animal products and various health improvements. However, critics argue that the diet's lack of plant-based foods can lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients, such as fiber, vitamin C and E, and phytochemicals, which play crucial roles in overall health. Additionally, long-term adherence to a diet rich in saturated fats and cholesterol raises concerns about cardiovascular health. Supporters of the carnivore diet highlight the adaptability of the human digestive system to a meat-centric diet. They point to historical and anthropological evidence suggesting that early humans thrived on diets that were predominantly animal-based, especially in regions where plant foods were scarce. While the carnivore diet is fundamentally centered on the consumption of animal products and the exclusion of all plant-based foods, there are several variations that cater to different nutritional needs and personal preferences. These variations allow individuals to tailor the diet to their specific health. Here, we will delve into the most common adaptations of the carnivore diet: the lion diet, the strict carnivore diet, and the keto carnivore diet. The lion diet is an extremely restrictive variation of the carnivore diet, focusing solely on the consumption of ruminant meat, such as beef and lamb, along with salt and water. This diet eliminates all other food groups, including other meats, dairy, eggs, and all plant-based foods, to help identify and eliminate dietary triggers and allergens. It is particularly popular among individuals with severe autoimmune conditions, chronic inflammation, and other health issues that have not responded well to other dietary approaches. The simplicity of the lion diet can lead to significant reductions in inflammation, improved digestive health, and better mental clarity and mood stabilization. By limiting the diet to a few basic foods, it helps individuals identify specific food sensitivities and intolerances. However, the diet's extreme restriction can lead to concerns about nutrient diversity and potential deficiencies, and the lack of variety can make it monotonous and challenging to sustain in the long term. Social situations and dining out can also be difficult, requiring significant planning and commitment. As with any drastic dietary change, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the lion diet to ensure it is appropriate for individual health needs and to monitor for any potential nutritional deficiencies. The strict carnivore diet is the most uncompromising version of this dietary approach. It consists solely of animal meat, fish, and animal fats. This means that other animal-derived products, such as eggs and dairy, are typically excluded. The rationale behind this strict approach is to minimize any potential dietary triggers and allergens, focusing exclusively on foods that are believed to be the most nutrient-dense and least inflammatory. Key foods are beef, lamb, pork, chicken, fish, and animal fats like tallow and lard. This version is often adopted by individuals seeking to address severe autoimmune conditions, digestive disorders, or those looking to test the impact of a pure animal-based diet on their health. On the other hand, the extreme restriction can make this variation difficult to adhere to in the long term. Nutrient diversity is also a concern, as it excludes a broader range of animal-derived foods. The keto carnivore diet merges principles from both the carnivore diet and the ketogenic diet. It includes high-fat dairy products and eggs, alongside the core focus on meat and fish. The primary goal here is to maintain a state of ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, while benefiting from the simplicity and potential anti-inflammatory effects of a carnivorous diet. Key foods are beef, pork, lamb, chicken, fish, eggs, cheese, butter, and heavy cream. This variation offers a more diverse range of foods, making it easier to meet nutritional needs and maintain adherence. The higher fat content also helps sustain ketosis, which can be beneficial for weight loss and metabolic health. On the other hand, balancing fat intake to maintain ketosis without overeating dairy can be tricky. Additionally, some individuals may have sensitivities to dairy products. The potential benefits of the carnivore diet have garnered significant attention and sparked curiosity among many seeking to improve their health. One of the most frequently reported advantages is weight loss. By eliminating carbohydrates and focusing on protein-rich foods, individuals often experience reduced appetite and increased satiety, leading to a natural decrease in calorie intake. This, combined with the body's shift to burning fat for energy, can result in significant and sustainable weight loss. Additionally, many adherents of the carnivore diet report a reduction in inflammation, which can lead to marked improvements in conditions such as arthritis, eczema, and other inflammatory disorders. This reduction in inflammation is often attributed to the elimination of potential dietary irritants found in plant-based foods and processed items. Another compelling benefit is improved mental clarity and mood stabilization. Many people find that their focus sharpens and their mental fog lifts, likely due to the stabilization of blood sugar levels and the absence of substances that might affect brain function. Furthermore, digestive health can see remarkable improvements. For those who suffer from bloating, gas, and irritable bowel syndrome, the carnivore diet's simplicity and the elimination of fibrous plant matter can provide significant relief and lead to a more comfortable and predictable digestive experience. Moreover, the carnivore diet can have positive effects on certain autoimmune conditions. By removing all plant-based foods, which some believe may contain compounds that trigger autoimmune responses, individuals with autoimmune diseases often report reduced symptoms and better overall health. Enhanced energy levels are another frequently mentioned benefit. Without the highs and lows caused by carbohydrate consumption, energy levels become more stable, allowing for sustained physical and mental performance throughout the day. Lastly, some followers of the diet appreciate its simplicity. The straightforward nature of the carnivore diet, centering meals around animal products, removes the complexity of meal planning and calorie counting, making it easier to stick to for some individuals. However, it's important to note that while these benefits are widely reported anecdotally, individual results can vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes is crucial to ensure safety and appropriateness for one's health condition.